Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to pair your wireless earbuds to your Huawei Watch GT3. As you know, this watch does support Bluetooth accessories, so earbuds, heart rate monitor, you can add, and we're going to get to the devices, but yeah, you can add them. And since this does have internal storage, you could just add your earbuds and go for a hike, go for a run, whatever you do, and leave the phone at home. So if you enjoy this content, if this is helpful to you, a like and a sub would be amazing. Let's do this. So we've got the watch and the earbuds here. What we're gonna do is swipe down from the top, go to settings, Bluetooth, find devices. Here you can see the types of devices this watch supports. We have got earphones, obviously, that we're gonna do today. We've got Huawei S tags. I think it's something like Apple Air tags. I don't know about them. We've got heart rate strap. Like you can add a perfectly good heart rate strap. This watch does have a good heart rate sensor. But anyway, the strap would be a lot more accurate. We've got speed and cadence sensor, hover meter. Anyways, we're just gonna go with the earphones. I've got my earphones here. So I'm just gonna open them up and let's put them into pairing mode. With the Sonys, you have to put them in your ear and hold both earbuds for 5 seconds or so. So I'm gonna try doing that. If you're clicking your earbud, so we just go back there, Bluetooth, find devices, earphones, and there you go. Now we have it here on pairing mode. Easy as that, it's going to be connected. So you just have to watch out for your earbuds, because if you have them paired with your phone, you may not be able to see them. If it's a Sony like this, it's not going to show up. But yeah, that's easy as that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.